It's a harsh reality that a significant number of people who come into TDOC custody don't possess the skills or education needed for success. That's why TDOC facilities across the state offer the inmate population an opportunity to learn marketable skills that'll not only help them find meaningful employment after release, but can also help them turn away from criminal activity. At facilities like the West Tennessee State Penitentiary, inmates can participate in the HVAC education program and earn a diploma from the Tennessee College of Applied Technology. This TCAP program teaches inmates the skills and knowledge necessary to work in a residential or commercial setting. They learn to troubleshoot HVAC problems, then repair and maintain systems. The program requires over 1,000 hours to complete, but it's well worth it because upon completion and release from prison, they have a shot at a high-demand career and can provide for themselves and their families. Many graduates of the HVAC program have found success after being released, and best of all, their chances of reoffending were significantly reduced through this opportunity. That's the work of Team TDOC. We are more than prison.